hype man. Barely balanced.
You're all allowed to give him one big boo for that. Yay! Put your heart in.
Stop trying to put your toes between my fingers. Come on, I'm cold. You know what's the good news though? Is that I'm mostly numb from the cold, so if I fall I won't feel it. And we're really close to the bar. Ready? Oh, you tripped in my eyeball. Oh, God.
Yeah, uno, a dos, a three. Take that, Dora the Explorer.
Oh, God. Everything is awesome. It's been an honor. I don't know if anybody else feels like right now they're looking at an ad for Squatty Potty.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our finale stunt. Both the guys are going to attempt to juggle fire over Large's face. And he, as a bonus, will not have the luxury of being able to see.
What?
Most impressively, my husband will be on top, successfully staying stiff for over 1 whole minute!
Hashtag goals. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a brand new stunt for us, and one that we have never done in this kind of weather. See if we can make it work for you.
My eyeballs are like puddles.
Dude, if you can pull this off, I'm going to be impressed. Here we go. And, hup.